Hi, my name is Kara McCrae, and at 18 years old, I embarked on my first solo backpacking trip. I traveled all the way across the world to Bali, Indonesia, and Thailand. Along the way, I met amazing people, visited places that took my breath away, ate delicious food, experienced vivid cultures, and even did a bit of volunteering. This is a trip that I will never forget, and I wanted to share it with all of you. This is the third vlog in my Bali series. You can check out the other two on my channel. In this vlog, my volunteering experience continues with IVHQ and Green Lion. As a part of my introduction week, I make Balinese flower offerings, visit Tirta Empul temple, sorry if I said that wrong, and we visit Satria Coffee Plantation. I'm late, like always. I'm making my way to the main building. I'm making flower offerings. But yeah, I'm late, so classic. Okay, here. There's Jon Snow. While making the flower offerings, I learned that each flower color represents a different god that the Balinese people worship. They also symbolize water, earth, fire, wind, and balance. After we finished making our flower offerings, we headed over to Pura Tirta Empul temple. Here we participated in a purification ritual under the holy springs. Thank you. We're gonna feed the fish. We're at Satria Coffee, I think that's how you say it. And we're just having like a bunch of different types of coffee and teas, kind of. Let's see. And then they also do Luwak Coffee, which is a type of animal. But you have to pay 50,000 for it because it's like the animals poop out the coffee beans and then they have to like peel them and then grind them a bunch of like a whole process, so it costs more money. But
it's the most expensive coffee in the world.
Yeah, most expensive coffee in the world. That's crazy.
Are you guys gonna try terrible.
Sorry, it's really hot. What do you think?
Wow. Really bitter. Like the rice.
It's what?
Really bitter.
It's bitter? Yeah. Maybe you should. Can you add something?
It does. It's a weird aftertaste. Do you find it really bitter?
Oh, I don't. Give us a thumbs. I don't know. It's good.
This is red rice tea. They have high calcium. It's good for bones like osteoporosis. Ginger tea good for stomach problem. Rosella tea good for blood circulation. Mangosteen tea good for antioxidant. Saffron and curcuma is good for immune system. And hot chocolate is good for everything. Yeah. This is Bali coffee without sugar. This is vanilla coffee, mochaccino, coconut coffee, and the last one is ginseng coffee, good for stamina.
Good for what?
For stamina, energy.
I need that.
Yeah.